In other news tonight, a new report finds failures within the federal government's response to the public health crisis. The Government Accountability Office, a government watchdog, designated the Health and Human Services leadership and coordination as high risk today. That does not carry any immediate penalties, but it does signal to Congress that lawmakers should pay special attention to the agency. The report lists deficiencies in 5 areas: establishing clear roles for federal, state, and local agencies, collecting and analyzing data, clear communication to the public, transparency and accountability, and understanding the strengths and weaknesses of other agencies it works with. The report does not blame individual officials in the current or past administrations. Lawmakers are already working on legislation calling for a close study of the pandemic and an overhaul of HHS capabilities. Well, the White House envisions the future of COVID as something to protect against and treat, but experts caution we're still in the middle of a crisis. Mandy Gaither brings us where the U.S. stands.
It may be a light at the end of a dark tunnel.
I am more optimistic about the pandemic today than I have been since it was declared a pandemic nearly 2 years ago.
While COVID-19 deaths and hospitalizations are still high across the U.S., new cases seem to be receding in many states, down 20% overall. But not all states have reached their Omicron peak yet.
In another few weeks, the Omicron flash flood, not a wave, but a flash flood, will have largely passed.
But top U.S. health officials warn the U.S. is not there yet, with more than 600,000 cases and more than 2,300 deaths each day, according to Johns Hopkins University. The death rate 22% higher than a week ago, leaving officials to stress once again the best way to protect against the severe outcomes of COVID-19 is to get vaccinated and boosted.
If you are boosted, you are 68 times less likely to die than if you are unvaccinated.
As it stands now, only about a quarter of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated and boosted. About 1 million vaccine doses are being given out every day. Most are boosters, according to the CDC.
We do need to hang on for just a few more weeks until the Omicron flood recedes so we don't overwhelm the hospitals.
For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.